Hello, how's it going? Today we are going to solve another coding challenge from the warm-up challenges in the interview preparation kit from HackerRank. The problem today is going to be jumping on the clouds. So the problem is the following. There is a new mobile game that starts with consecutive numbered clouds. Some of the clouds are thunderheads and others are cumulus. The player can jump on any cumulus cloud having a number that is equal to the order of the current cloud plus 1 or 2. The player must avoid the thunderheads. Determine the minimal number of jumps that will take to jump from the starting position to the last cloud. It is always possible to win the game. For each game you'll get an array of clouds numbers 0 if they are safe or 1 if they must be avoided. So we have here an example, an array of clouds, and then we start with a safe cloud. Can we go the shortest path, which is jumping 2? Yes, we can, so we jump 2. Can we jump another 2? Yes, we can, we jump another 2. Can we jump 2 twice and finish? Yes, we can. So that was a very simple example. But let's say you try to jump 2 here, from here to here, but you found a number 1, so that's not safe. So we cannot jump to the number 1. Then we go back and we try to jump 1, so it is safe because we found a 0. Then we stay here. We've jumped 1. Then we jump again, try to jump 2 positions, and we found a 0, so that's a safe position. Then we count another another jump towards our counting jump. So now we have jumped twice. We try to jump 2 positions again, but we found a 1, so we need to go back. We jump 1 position and we found a 0, so that's safe, and our counting jumps go to 3. And then we try to jump twice at 2 positions again, and we found a 0, and that's it. We found the end. Okay, we have here some illustrations for showing how to proceed and what to avoid. So let's start creating a variable to compute how many jumps we are going to give, and a variable for the cloud position, so like which position is the cloud that we are at the moment. For this algorithm today we are going to use a while loop, and the condition of the while loop is going to be the following. If the cloud position is smaller than the length of the array minus 1, because we don't want to go out of the range of to have an index out of the range of the array, right? And we have the following condition. If the cloud position plus 2 is equal to the length. So remember, we are always going to win this game. So the only thing is we need to find the shortest path. And also every single example starts and finishes with 0. So if, let's say, you only have 2 positions left, and then the first position after the one that you are at is 1, and the last one is a 0, then you would like to jump twice. So that is why we have this condition right here. We check if the if 2 positions ahead is a1 as well, because if it is 1, then we only want to jump once. So we iterate 1 and we count jumping 1. But what else could happen? So if you found 2 clouds ahead, a1, so you cannot jump 1, so you cannot jump twice if you found a cloud 2 houses 2 positions ahead. But if you found, then you only jump once. But if you don't found a1 and 2 positions ahead, you either have it 1 position ahead or 3 or 4 positions ahead. So you could definitely jump twice, so you go faster, and you need to calculate that jump. And for finish off, we just need to return the amount of times that we jumped. So return the variable jumps. We run the code and it is correct. So just going over again, we use a while loop to iterate through the array of clouds. We first check if the 2 positions ahead is if we got to be 2 positions from the end, because if it is, we can only jump once, and or if we find 2 positions ahead of the position that we are at in number 1, which is not safe. So if you found 2 positions ahead the 1, we want to only jump once. Otherwise, we can jump twice. Okay, that's it for today. Thank you very much and have a good one.